welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you my first pair of New Balance shoes, and this time it's the model New Balance 650. It's this beautiful white shoe out here, which you can find like very simple shoe, but in the end I will show you some details and you will see that it is not so simple as you thought. So first of all, this shoe is almost all white, but it has a little bit of light gray accents, which I will show you. Also here you can see that I still have the price tag on it, so they are brand new, and I paid 170 euros for them. So I know that this is a quite pricey price for these shoes, but I think those New Balance are so hyped and so popular that this price is also very, like, a lot of people are willing to pay it, and also me, because I really love this beautiful shoe, guys. So let's start here with these beautiful laces, which of course are also in white. And also here you can see the New Balance writing in light gray color. I hope that you can see it very well. The same writing you can see also here. It's also written New Balance in the same gray color. And also here on the front you have it also in gray color, and I think that here on the side you find the model name, which is 650. It is embroidered also white on white, so I hope that you can see it, but I think that the sticking is in, yeah, it's in light gray, so maybe you can see it better like this. Also here you can see this beautiful New Balance logo, which is the letter N on both sides. This is also like typical New Balance shoe, guys. And also here which we come to the sole, which is not all white now, because you have this beautiful light gray accents again. And here you can see also the New Balance writing on it, which is also white on white. And here we have the beautiful gray sole, guys. So I am very happy that they did not do the sole in all white, because like this it gives the shoe a little bit more of like an interesting touch. It looks a little bit more like eye-catching, and I think that an all white shoe would not be that interesting like this. And yeah, here you can see also again the New Balance. So actually New Balance is written on every part of this shoe, so you cannot miss it. But I think that this is also what makes this shoe so interesting, and I think when people buy the New Balance shoe, they really want to show it that it's like a New Balance shoe, guys. So I will show you again both of the shoes, guys. And I did not walk in them yet, but I do have some others New Balance shoe in my collection. And I can tell from my personal opinion that those shoes, guys, are very comfortable. The shoe gives you a lot of stability, which is because of the shoe's shape and also because of the shoe's sole. And this together really gives you a lot of comfort. Also, another great thing about the shoe is that the shoe is almost all white, so you can combine it with just everything in your closet. You can combine it to every color, to every style. It doesn't matter, because white fits to everything. So this is also a thing which I would recommend to you all, this beautiful shoe, guys. So yeah, if you like my video, please like it, comment it, and subscribe to my channel.